Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I make a grass on a green chart. It's make easy. We make it in a easy way. We draw grass shape on the card, then we cut it. We use this grass to make a theme of a greenery grass or a house. Cut it easily. It's not difficult to make this grass. We cut the shape properly and neatly. Now look at this. It's look like a grass. If we make a home now, we use a grass in the front of this house to create a scene. Now I make this grass properly. Now we underline all the shapes, cuts properly. If you by mistake you cut a grass roughly, then highlighted it easily. Okay, I complete it. It's look amazing. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.